Smith needs to calm down right now. It's great that she has pink slime hidden in her notebooks. Attach notebooks to each other to get a pile. Hot glue the pages from the sides too so that they do not open. Cut out a rectangle inside. Make slime. Mix stationery glue and acrylic paint. Add starch. Put in some liquid laundry detergent and a little baking soda. Put the slime inside the pile of notebooks when it is ready. Miss Smith puts her hand into her secret stress reliever. It's so satisfying. I wish I could stretch time like this slime and escape from this class. But Miss Smith can't run away because she's a teacher, and the girls skip just half of the class. They are lucky to get there in time for the second half. Redhead is very anxious, asking her friend to check her home task. Dolly finds a mistake there. Oh, it's a disaster! Don't worry. A cute pineapple will help you calm down and correct your mistakes. Cut a yellow sponge in half and attach the two parts to each other lengthwise. Make slanted cuts along the entire sponge. Make cuts in the opposite direction to get diamonds. Hot glue the sponge to a correction fluid bottle. Cut off the excess. Trim the sponge on top to make it look like a pineapple. Cut out a green foam rubber sheet aslant and cut out triangular leaves on it. Hot glue the detail to the cap. Start on the top of the cap and attach the big leaves first, moving spirally downwards. I correct Redhead's mistakes quickly with the correction fluid while she relieves stress with a soft pineapple. There's nothing to worry about. The pineapple stress reliever copes with everything. Redhead is happy that her homework is ready to be checked. Dolly is outraged. Her school supplies have gotten hostile towards her and it stresses her out. The ruler doesn't help her draw a straight line. It will regret it. Dolly, calm down. Here you are. Take a friendly ruler stress reliever. Cut out a foam rubber strip to be of the same width as a ruler. Make hatch marks on it and add figures. Redhead pulls a soft ruler out of her hand like a magician. This handy stress reliever refuses being broken. You can squeeze it, crumple, and twist it, but you won't be able to break it. Dolly adores soft school supplies. Dolly's stress is on edge. Where are all of her stress relievers when she needs them the most? This pencil case is no good. I can't reduce agitation with it, and it is impossible to find the thing you need in it. My friend turns purple with rage, so I give her my grapefruit. More precisely, my squishy grapefruit, which conceals softness, and a pencil case. We will need 2 big sponges. Trace a sponge on a piece of paper and cut it out. Draw a template of a grapefruit slice and cut it out. Trace the template on the sponges. Make 2 of the same details. Snip off the excess. Use the same template to make 2 felt semicircles. Cut them out, letting them be joined on the bottom. Hot glue the outer edges. Turn it right side out. Hot glue a zipper. Trace the sponge on a white foam rubber sheet. Cut out 2 details, making allowances. Make 2 red foam rubber strips of the needed size. Cut out a paper half circle of the same size as the main detail and fold it in half 3 times in a row. Snip off ½ an inch across the edge. This is a paper template of an inside segment. Trace it on the red foam rubber sheet and cut out 10 segments. The details are ready. Assemble the pencil case. Attach the red foam rubber strip to the outer edge of the grapefruit slice. Hot glue the white foam rubber semicircle to the side. Attach the red segments on top of it. Decorate the second detail in the same way. Put in the zipped felt pocket in between. There's only peel left to be added. Attach a yellow foam rubber strip to the outer edge. Dolly's mood becomes better once she takes the soft pencil case into her hands. All her rage goes away, and only tenderness is left. They say a grapefruit is healthy, and they're right. Miss Smith thinks that we're eating in class again. Keep calm. It's just a pencil case. Did you like our weird stress relievers? Then write in your comments which stress toy you are going to make for keeping yourself calm during your extra summer class. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new stress relieving ideas on the Troom Troom channel.